Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys in a minute. We gonna be right back. You guys, this unit was so freaking difficult. Like, I don't even care how it looks right now because I'm just over it. So today's unit was sent to me by Outre, so thank you kindly for sending me this unit. This is from their Color Bomb collection. It's in the style KARELIA. You know, I don't know. I can't pronounce this name, but I got it in the color Dipped Chocolate. So when I first saw these units, I was like, oh my God, I have to have one. They are so cute. I'm loving the colors. But if you are, you know, familiar with my channel, you know that I do not play in color all like that. So I played it safe and I got the chocolate color. And I was struggling with this unit. First and foremost is that it doesn't have a pre-plucked hairline. I mean, that was the biggest struggle for me. If the hairline was pre-plucked like it says it is, then I would have had no issues slaying this unit down, but it wasn't pre-plucked. Like, I really don't know. It did have baby hairs, I will say that. And also, the unit keeps sliding back, but it's weird because it is big hip friendly. So I had to put the combs in there, you know, and I don't know, you guys, like, it was an entire struggle bus for me. I don't know what happened. It was to the point where I had to go on other people's YouTubes and I'm like, what did they do? There were a few people that laid down the baby hairs and then some people just plopped it on and I'm like, you can see it. You can see it, the lace. So I don't know. I just like, I really like for wigs to look like they're coming out of my scalp and not looking like a wig. So it was a bit of a struggle for me. So this unit is an exclusive salon design. This unit is an exclusive salon design dipped dyed blonde shades. It has a 5-inch deep parting space. It says pre-plucked HD lace. I don't think it's pre-plucked, you guys. Natural baby hairs. It does come with premium synthetic fibers and selfie-worthy styles. It does come in some fun colors like dipped blueberry, dipped bubblegum, dipped caramel, dipped chili, dipped chocolate, which is what I am wearing, dipped lava, and dipped violet. So these colors are cute and fun. I will say that. It does have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps back there as well. As far as the cap size, it is big head friendly, but for some weird reason, it's just short of the front of the hair. For me, it just keeps sliding back. So I did go in with the combs and I stuck them things in there for dear life. I think for me, it's difficult because my baby hairs come forward a little bit. So in order for me to, you know, have an effortless blend, I'm trying to make sure my brown baby hairs aren't showing through the wig. So I'm trying to pull it forward, you know, and give it that like natural effect. So that's why I'm struggling for me. There is some tangling on this unit, so keep that in mind. I just took this out the package today and it has been tangling down here. So I don't know what's going on. As far as shedding, there's minimal shedding, not too much, you know, just a little bit. This unit does range in the $30 to $35 price range on a few different websites. The Google link is in the description box below. But you guys, it was an entire struggle for me. So I did go in, well, first of all, I didn't even darken in the lace underneath because I didn't want to risk messing it up. So I just kind of wanted to see how it looked when I first put it on. I put it on and I thought, okay, maybe I can just, you know, try to blend it in myself. And it just like, without darkening the lace, and it just wasn't working out. So I did go in with my, well, I originally went in with my foundation. I didn't like the way it looked in the middle part. So I said, let me go in and darken up the roots with my chocolates palette. I used the dark browns. I went in along the hairline. This wig is one of those wigs where this is all you're going to see. I'm not lifting this up. I'm not lifting this up. Like, you're not going to see all that extra stuff because it just, like, you can see the wig line, you know, it's not a plucked hairline. So that's the point that I'm trying to make to you guys. If I wear it out, it's literally going to look like this. So I did go in and darken up the hairline with my chocolates palette, and like I was struggling with the middle because I'm like, I need to make this look like my skin complexion. So I did go in with some more of the chocolates palette and a mixture of my foundation in the middle of the part. And honestly, I kind of just dragged it out a little bit too, just to give it that like ombre. Like for me, I was thinking of Tay when he did somebody's hair, and he was like, oh, I think it was Ari's hair. And he was like, yeah, I want the roots to come in and look like, you know, there's roots or whatever. So I was like, I'm going to give myself some roots on this unit because as a brown skin girl who's struggling with this color and like the hairline is just not the way it's supposed to be, and I'm struggling right now, I'm gonna try my best to make it work. I feel like you can see my baby hairs a little bit coming through the dark, you know, the dark brown / black, but don't eat me up in these comments, you guys. With what I am working with, I literally did my best. I will say that it is pretty as far as the color on my skin complexion, the blonde with the brown. I really do like that. I was so excited for this reverse ombre because I want to say Bobbi Boss did one too. Someone else did a reverse ombre. I can't remember who, and it like sold out quick. And I remember it had like a greenish like tint in the middle. So I really like how Outre did their coloring with this unit. It's definitely cute. As far as density, it does have a nice amount of thickness to this. I would say it's around the 180% density. It definitely has a nice amount of thickness. And overall, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be easy on me in the comments, you know, but I do like the honesty. Keep it 100. Let me know what you guys think. You don't have to be rude about it, but you know, I'll listen and read and respond. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So before we go, I do want to talk about some fun things that I have going on in my life. My sister friend and I started a podcast. The link is in the description box below. It's called A Black Woman's Perspective Podcast, and here it is. We are talking about every topic imaginable, from goals, weight loss, friends, weddings, like all of that great stuff. It's just our perspective on life and some of the things that we've been through and we're going through. And yeah, so I hope you guys check it out. The link is below. Support, you know, it's free to support. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.